For this video, let's install Onshape. Onshape runs in the browser, so no installation is needed. Open Chrome and go to onshape.com. Click Sign Up, enter your details, and once you're done, click Next. From here, you'll be asked what you plan to use Onshape for. Choose the option that fits you, then click Next. Next, choose the option that best describes you and click Next. Select the recommended plan, then click Next. Enter your details, and once finished, click Next. You're almost finished. After answering all the questions, click Complete Sign Up. Onshape will create and validate your account. Go to your email, look for the Onshape message, verify your email, and activate your account. From here, set your password, enter your company name, and click Get Started. A floating window will appear. Set your default units, mouse controls, profile, and browser check. Once done, click Done. And that's how to install Onshape. Thank you for watching.